How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to clean your K&N air filter, and the video starts right now. So I have to unclip this 4 clips over here, and one at the back there. Then squeeze the grommet here so you can pull out the intake tube. Okay. As you can see, this area here is the area here is black from the dirt, and there's some debris inside this between the mesh screen here. Some debris in there. You have to use the recharge kit for the K&N to clean this. See all this dirt here? It might go inside your mass airflow and mass airflow sensor, and also your turbo. So now it's time to clean this. See the difference in color here? It's black. This section here is black from the dirt. So this is the K&N recharger kit that I'm gonna be using to clean out this air filter. Inside the box we have the air filter cleaner. So this is specially formulated to clean K&N air filter. Also inside the box is the air filter oil. First you have to do is make sure you shake this. I'm gonna start spraying the dirty part. Okay, we're gonna soak it for a bit. We're gonna wait a bit for the chemical to clean out that dirt on the filter. Maybe wait for about 10 minutes before we rinse it with water. So after waiting for 10 minutes or so, time to rinse out the air filter with the non-pressurized water. You don't want to have pressure on this because you're gonna destroy the air filter. So what we need to do, spray some water on the clean side. So when you spray water on the clean side, it pushes out the dirt from the outside. So we try to keep the dirt from not going to the clean side, so we have to shoot the water from the clean side, pushing the dirt to the outside. So with the non-pressurized water. Make sure you go to all the seams. Now we see that the red part is almost gone, so you're pushing out all the dirt from that oil there. So we're just taking out the dirty oil, and we're gonna replace that later on with the new oil. Because the oil on this air filter is the one that traps the very fine dust. So by the way, guys, if you still want to use your car while doing this, you can put back the regular paper air filter, because after rinsing this with water, you have to let it dry. After it's dry, Then we have to spray it with oil, and we have to make sure that not too much oil, so we have to keep the oil drip for a while, and that's gonna take a while. So for you, so you can still use your car, just put back the paper air filter, and at least you're not stuck waiting for this filter before you can use your car. Okay, now that's good. Now we're gonna wait for it to dry, air dry, and it's better to put it outside, let it dry from the sun, and we're gonna put some oil after. We're gonna let it dry like this on the sun, and we'll come back for it. Then after that, we're gonna spray oil on it. Then we're gonna make it drip, so make sure there's not too much oil on the fiber before we install it back in the car. So after, when the air filter is dry, now it's time to spray the oil. So we're gonna spray downward from these pleats there, and we're gonna let it run slowly to make sure it covers all the cotton. But you don't want to overspray too much on the oil, because it's no good when you have too much oil. Just enough oil to make the cotton become red again. So you're gonna shake the air filter oil. We're gonna spray on the pleats. So we're just gonna let it we're gonna let the oil run like this. To make sure you wipe down the excess oil before you put it in the car. So now the air filter is nice and clean. It's ready to be put back in the car. Make sure the filter sits flush and not crooked. Put the grommet back. And put all the clips back. So that's how you clean your K&N air filter. I hope you enjoyed the video. And soon we're gonna do some unboxing and installation with the new cold air intake that I ordered. It's already on the way. So stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.